Hi, Future Meg jumping in here. Before you watch the intro to this video, I totally mispronounced this company's name and I feel horrible about it, so I want to correct myself. I'm gonna say CraftKitsune in this intro. That is not how you say it. It is CraftKitsune or CraftKitsune, so that is how you say it, and I'm so sorry that I pronounced it wrong. In the intro clip of this video, I got her to send me a voice message on how to pronounce it because I said it wrong, so disregard that. And let's get into this video. I'm so excited for you guys to watch it. Hi, welcome to this video. I am so excited for this one today because I had such a kind girl named Liz reach out to me and ask if I wanted to try some of her subscription boxes, which I think is such a good idea because resin is so expensive. In these boxes you get little testers, and it's perfect for someone who's new to resin and wants to try it out and see if they even enjoy it. And she includes pretty much all the materials that you'll need. Anything extra that I use that isn't in these boxes, I will just mention that. The packaging is awesome. I love this one especially. She also has great customer service skills because anytime I've reached out to her, she gets back to me and is so kind to talk to. So thank you so much for asking me to do this. I'm so excited to get started. So let's get into this video. What I love about this one especially, this is desktop accessories, which was the August 2020 box. Comes with a whole book of instructions. Supplies. This is such a cute little booklet as well, so awesome. We have a silicone cup, and the thing I love about this is how large it is, so I can even reuse that for other things. We have a silicone, I think it's kind of like a pen holder, sort of like what I have back here for my pens. So excited to try is a resin pen, because how adorable is that going to be? I'm going to do dried flowers with probably some gold flakes. Okay, can I just say what I love about this so much, and I've actually wanted to buy for myself, is it comes with a silicone mat, which is perfect for resin because resin doesn't stick to silicone, so when you're done with it, you can just peel the resin off and keep reusing this. So this is a super sustainable and awesome thing to include. First, we have our little resin and hardeners. It comes with a couple of different ink things so you can make multiple pens. It has really detailed instructions. I'll do exactly how much resin to mix for each project, which is a question that I know I get a lot. People ask me how much resin just to make one single keychain, and I never know the answer, so this is a really great feature. Sort of slightly bend it a little and place it in. And we're going to move it up just to make sure there's a little groove here that the actual tip of the pen has to go through so it doesn't get any resin on it. And there we are. And of course, as we know, and as this bottle also states, we have to be wearing protective gear, so respirator, goggles, gloves, keeping our skin, lungs, eyes, everything protected. So the first thing I did was put some purple flowers into the mold like so, and then I added some gold flakes to add a little extra sparkle. I love adding gold flakes. For this, I actually poured the resin in first and then put the flowers, but I wanted to make sure I liked them first. So then I put equal amounts of resin and hardener in this cup. And then I stirred for about 4 minutes, and this resin's actually classified as crystal clear, and I normally work with clear, so I was really excited to see how this would turn out. Just filled the mold. You can see how shaky my hands are. I just always had shaky hands. You guys probably noticed it in my videos. I had to get a CAT scan for it before, make sure my brain was all good, and I am. I just have really shaky hands. So then I mixed the gold flakes and flowers all in there, made sure the resin was in every part of the mold, and used a heat gun to pop any bubbles. Poured that resin in the holder. And then I put the flowers in because sometimes if you put the flowers in first, the resin doesn't cure all the way around them. And then I added some little butterflies, and now it is time for the mold making. I've always wanted to make my own mold, especially a lighter mold, and I've actually tried in the past and it didn't work out. So I put this little circle thing on the transfer tape and then put my lighter inside, and I love that this box comes with clay and little things to press into the mold as well if you don't have anything available to put in the mold, so I love that addition. Then I mixed the part A and B of the silicone together for 4 minutes. Oh, I messed up. I'm pretty sure I was supposed to put this on the bottom, which makes a lot more sense, so that was my bad. But I saw in a video she used a glue gun, a hot glue gun, to glue the bottom so that the silicone stops spilling, because right now all the silicone is spilling out of this tin thing, so I'm a little upset. So I'm not going to use the rest of this just in case I have to remake this mold. So that was on me, that was my bad, and I would probably recommend hot gluing the bottom just because now the silicone has poured out quite a bit and I don't want it to not cover the top of this lighter. So that's where I'm at. Right now we are going to let that mold set and we're going to try this snowflake. This one I got some more resin and a bunch of little things. We have string, little mirrors, some glitter stuff, we have string lights and some diamonds. And what I really like about this one is that it has ideas of what you can make on this page, which is awesome for, you know, somebody that's looking for some inspiration. Okay, time for the big reveal. Here is the resin pen. I absolutely adore how this turned out. There's one side that's a little bit flat where the top of the mold was, but I don't think that that makes any difference in the writing quality. It actually works so well. This is totally something I'm going to use all the time and I would love to start selling them as well. Here is the snowflake. I ended up adding a mirror to it. It has quite a bit of bubbles. I think that was my bad. I think I mixed a little bit too quickly, but regardless, I love how this turned out, and especially the little mirror and the lights. I just think that's really cute. Here is the holder. Oh my gosh, I'm so obsessed with this. I added a pink layer on the bottom after the 24 hours, which I forgot to film, but I think it's so nice. Also, I've never worked with crystal clear resin before, and this makes such a big difference. Like, look how clear that is. And then my friend gave me the awesome idea to try it as an essential oils holder, so I tried that and love this as well. And then I took some more videos just showing you guys what it can look like as a desktop accessory, like it says, or a makeup holder, literally whatever you want it to be. And not only did I want to make a silicone mold, but I also wanted to try it out and see what the lighters would turn out like, and I am so in love with them. Like I said, it's been my dream to make resin lighters for some reason, and the top is a little bit bad because I ripped the silicone, but I don't think it really makes a big difference. I still think they're so pretty and you can tell what they are. And the mold allows the items to turn out really clear so that I don't have to do a top coat of resin, so we love that. Overall impression, as you can probably tell, I love every single thing I made. I will have all of their information in the description. I highly recommend you check them out and see all of the amazing different boxes that they offer every single month. It is such a great way to get creative and crafty, especially during this time in the world where, you know, things are shut down. Thank you so much, CraftKitsune, for sending me these boxes. I seriously adore you. I can't wait to see what other subscription boxes are coming in the future. I hope that you guys enjoyed this and liked watching me experiment with this. I hope that you guys go check out this company, and I love you all so much. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!